I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your tire on any of your Wheel Kaddy models. This here is a 360, they're all going to be the exact same process. So the first thing that you're going to do here is you're going to take all 4 of these nuts off. It's a 1/2 inch socket.
There she goes.
Okay. Next thing that you're going to want to do is take all the air out of your tube. If you blew your tire, there won't be any air in there, but in this case there is air in here. Then you're going to separate your 2-piece wheels. This can be quite the process sometimes, but I find best if you go on each end and just help work it up instead of try to pry all the way down. Then you can pop your tube out. Then you can stick your new tube in. When putting your wheels back in, you're going to want to lubricate your beads so that it slides on easier. Here I'm just going to use Windex because it'll work just fine, and that's what I have. On one half of your wheel, you're going to see that you have a hole here. That's for your valve stem. So you're going to want to stick your valve stem through there. Put your wheel in. So as you can see, we have that hole with the valve stem sticking through it. That's how it's supposed to be. Then you can put your other wheel in. You're going to see that they have notches here. You're going to want to line those up. Then you can slide it back on your hub. You're going to want to make sure that your valve stem is facing out for easy to air it up. You'll put your lock washer and your nut. And you're going to tighten them all down. Then you're going to go ahead and throw some air in the tire. And now you have a new tire.